Now Jacob lifted his eyes and looked, and there Esau was coming.
Quickly,
and with
divide
him
the
were
children among the
400
mothers.
men. So he divided the children among Leah, Rachel, and the 2 maidservants.
And he put the maids and their children in front, Leah and her children behind, and Rachel and Joseph last. Then he crossed over before them, and bowed himself to the ground 7 times.
Until he came near to his brother. But Esau ran to meet him, and embraced him, and fell on his neck and kissed him, and they wept.
Who are these with you? The children whom God has graciously given your servant.
Then the maidservants came near, they and their children, and bowed down. And Leah also came near with her children, and they bowed down. Afterward Joseph and Rachel came near, and they bowed down.
What do you mean by all this company which I met?
These are to find favor in the sight of my Lord.
I have enough, my brother. Keep what you have for yourself. No, please, if I have now found favor in your sight, then receive my present from my hand, inasmuch as I have seen your face, as though I had seen the face of God, and you were pleased with me. Take my blessing that is brought to you, because God has dealt graciously with me, and because I have enough. Please take this gift, I urge you.
Let us take our journey. Let us go.
Let us go, and I will go before you. My Lord knows that the children are weak, and the flocks and herds which are nursing are with me. And if the men should drive them hard one day, all the flock will die. Please let my Lord go on ahead before his servant. I will lead on slowly, at a pace which the livestock and the children are able to endure, until I come to my Lord in Seir.
Now let me leave with you some of the people who are with me.
What need is there? Let me find favor in the sight of my Lord.
So Esau returned that day on his way to Seir. And Jacob journeyed to Succoth, built himself a house, and made booths for his livestock. Therefore the name of the place is called Succoth. And Jacob came safely to the city of Shechem, which is in the land of Canaan, when he came from Padan Aram. And he pitched his tent before the city. And he bought the parcel of land, where he had pitched his tent, from the children of Hamor, for 100 pieces of money.
This place shall be called El Elohe Israel.
Genesis 33 teaches us the power of humility and reconciliation. We see the importance of family and restoring broken bonds. Jacob was afraid of Esau, but he did not run away. Deliver me from my fear. Trust in the Lord and face your fears. Humility can restore relationships. Jacob bowed before Esau. Forgiveness overcome the past. Learn to forgive.
It is good to see you, my brother.
To see your face is like seeing the face of God.
Let's journey together.
My Lord knows the children are frail.
I must proceed at a slower pace.
Respect their journey and their pace.
Seeing your face is like seeing the face of God, now that you have received me with such kindness.
Jacob built an altar after settling in the land. We should make worship and gratitude an important part of our lives. Build your life around God with faith. Choose humility. Forgive and make peace. Trust in God. Genesis 33.